In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Calendly. This integration process will allow you to streamline your scheduling workflow by automatically exporting your Calendly scheduling data to Google Sheets. This can save you time and help keep your records organized. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to go to Calendly. So open up your browser and head to Calendly's website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, take a moment to log in so that we can proceed with the integration. Once you're logged in, we're going to access the right section of Calendly settings by clicking on Integrations and Apps. You'll find this option in the menu that appears on your dashboard. This step is crucial as it opens the door to all available Calendly integrations, including Google Sheets. Next, in the search bar, go ahead and type in Google Sheets. This helps narrow down the list of integrations, making it easier to locate the specific one we need. Once you've typed it in, look for the Google Sheets integration in the list and click on it. Now you'll need to click on the Google Sheets option to access its detailed integration page. Here, Calendly will provide you with more information regarding how the integration works and what you can achieve with it. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these details to better understand the capabilities of the integration. The next step involves proceeding to the partner integration page, which you'll find linked right there on the Google Sheets integration details. Go ahead and click on that link. This will direct you to the integration partner. In this case, a site like Zapier that facilitates this connectivity. Once you're on the partner integration page, look for the Integrate for Free button. Clicking this will kick off the integration setup process. If you don't have an account with the partner site, you'll need to sign up, otherwise you can skip straight to logging in. Now type in your email if prompted, or simply log in if you've been through this process before. After logging in, you'll see a button that says Continue. Click that to proceed. This is the final confirmation step that ensures you've correctly set up your integration between Calendly and Google Sheets. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully connected Google Sheets to Calendly. This integration will now automatically transfer your scheduling details into Google Sheets, providing a seamless and efficient way to manage your appointments and schedule data in one place. Remember, having everything organized and automated helps you focus more on the important tasks at hand. Thanks for following along, and happy scheduling.